What up, guys?
Hello, we're on the way up to the Acropolis.
Our aim is that place. Just look at this. How amazing.
Yeah guys, we just went through the fence, you could say, and for normal visitors it's not allowed to come here, but yes.
So it's cool to see that they try to maintain their own cultural heritage.
New generations work here and learn doing things with their hands, just like the ancients did.
But just look at it, man. Oh wow!
So this was the Acropolis then,
Yeah,
right?
It was amazing, wasn't it?
They're working on this puzzle to rebuild this precious building.
Rebuild history, actually.
The super perfect first stop, and now we are up to the next one.
Yeah, exactly. So guys, catch us later.